Hello everybody. Today we will again be starting with our topic reproductive health, which is a part of chapter number 8, how do organisms reproduce. Till now, before this subtopic, we have studied what you mean by reproduction, its significance, male and female reproductive system, and all other thing included in this chapter, puberty and everything else. But one another important aspect that reproduction, how reproduction affects the physical and mental health of an individual, कि ये जो reproduction का process है ये किसी individual की physical और mental health को कैसे affect करता है. As attaining the age of puberty or sexual maturation does not mean कि we are capable of understanding each and every aspect of sexual intercourse or act. Fine. Must understand that the male and female body must be physically and mentally ready before involving in any kind of sexual act, because it justifies our reproductive health. Now, what do you mean by reproductive health? Reproductive health does not signify that it is absence of disease or any weakness inside our reproductive system, but reproductive health signifies a state of physical, social and mental well-being. So we can define that it is a state of physical, social and mental well-being of an individual. मतलब हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि हम reproductive health हमारी sound है because we do not have any type of diseases or any type of weakness, but it signifies a state जिसमें हम physically, socially and mentally sound हो. So after this define, we can say that a male and female individual must be physically, mentally and socially sound. Now we can say that both the individuals must be physically and mentally ready before involving in any kind of sexual activity, because involving in any kind of sexual activity increases the chances of pregnancy, and this pregnancy brings many kind of changes, hormonal changes inside a female body. And if a female is not physically and mentally ready for this, so pregnancy can be avoided. Fine. Now, to avoid this pregnancy, what are the methods and what we call that process? So avoiding this process is known as contraception. So now what do you mean by contraception? The methods or devices of birth control which deliberately prevent fertilization. These are the method which deliberately prevents fertilization. That means they prevent the fusion of male and female gamete, which results in the process of reproduction, then fertilization. Fine. So contraception are the methods. ये वो methods हैं जो prevent करते हैं fertilization. इन्हीं methods को हम broadly categorize कर सकते हैं. First of all, the physical or barrier method. Second is chemical method. Third is IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive devices, and the fourth is surgical method. These are the methods to prevent the unwanted pregnancy. Also, one aspect तो हमने डिस्कस कर लिया कि if a female is not physically and mentally prepared, so she should avoid pregnancy. Another important aspect is increasing population. So you have seen our government is also demanding that we should control population. So there are various methods These are the methods again for the process of birth control. Fine. These all are basically those methods which prevent fertilization. Now, our first is physical or barrier method. What you mean by physical or barrier method? ये क्या होता है? Physical और barrier method के अंदर we uses condoms, female and male condoms. Along with this we have cervical caps. It includes male condoms, female condoms and cervical caps. Now, what are male condoms, female condoms or cervical caps? These are basically thin rubber sheets which are used by the individual. Now what do? These basically act as the devices to prevent the entry of sperm in the female genital tract as it collects the ejaculated sperm at the time of sexual intercourse. And if the sperm is not allowed to enter in the female genital tract, it will not reaches the egg and fertilization process will not occur. So these act as a physical barrier which is preventing the fertilization, or deliberately we are preventing this type of fertilization. This completes our physical or barrier method. Now the second one is chemical method. What does it include? Chemical method includes basically tablets or spermicides which are used by the females. In this we includes the oral pills and vaginal pills. We include two things inside our chemical methods, that means oral pills and vaginal pills. Now consider the first one, oral pills. What do you mean by these? These are the pills which are consumed by a female which keeps a check on the ovulation, as these are mainly hormonal preparations which contains estrogen and progesterone. Basically they prevent the ovulation. Fine. So these are consumed by the females orally. Now what are vaginal pills? These are the preparations which contains spermicides. Now what do you mean by spermicides? Spermicides are basically those things which kills the sperm, and if a sperm is being killed, it will not be able to fuse with the egg and the process of fertilization again be prevented. So these both are the things which we include in chemical method. Now our third thing is IUCD. Now what is the full form of IUCD? Intrauterine contraceptive devices. Now what are these? These are made up of copper or stainless steel. These devices are basically placed inside the female body by the doctors. For example, you can take the example of a copper T. It is implanted inside the uterus of a female body. So during the time of intercourse, when the sperm travels through the vagina, uterus, to reach the egg waiting into the fallopian tube, it acts as a shield. It does not allow the sperm to enter inside the body of the female and prevents the fertilization. Other examples of intrauterine contraceptive devices are spiral ring, bow and shield. These all are the devices which are placed or implanted inside the female body in the uterus. One disadvantages with these devices are that these causes bleeding and discomfort inside the female body. Fine. This completes our IUCD. Now our next or last thing is surgical methods. what you mean by this. As you can understand by the name surgical, that means surgery. It means some type of surgery is being done inside the female, as well as you can say कि inside the male body also. Fine, दोनों में से किसी की बॉडी में भी हो सकता है. एंड what does this mean, और ये क्या होती है, कहाँ होती है और इसका नाम क्या है. फाइन, तो सर्जिकल मेथड्स के अंदर दो टर्म्स यूज होती हैं, दैट इज वेसेक्टोमी एंड द अदर इज ट्यूबेक्टोमी. नाउ व्हाट डज दीज टर्म्स मीन. वेसेक्टोमी, वास डिफरेंस कहाँ पढ़ा था हमने, inside the male body. It is the tube which carries the sperm. You know, स्क्रोटम के अंदर क्या थी, टेस्टिस थी, और वहाँ से एक ट्यूब क्या कर रही थी, इस ट्यूब को हमने नाम दिया था वास डिफरेंस. स्पर्म को यहाँ से लेकर जा रही थी. फाइन, इसी ट्यूब को हम क्या करते हैं, ऑपरेट करते हैं. इट इज़ बीइंग कट एंड टाइड फ्रॉम बोथ द एंड्स. फाइन, तो वास डिफरेंस के अंदर होने वाली सर्जरी, यानी कि जब उसे सर्जिकली कट कर दिया जाता है, इट इज़ नोन एज वैसेक्टोमी. ट्यूबेक्टोमी, व्हाट यू मीन बाय ट्यूबेक्टोमी. ट्यूब, दैट इज फेलोपियन ट्यूब. inside the female body, this tube both side ovaries present थी. इन ओवरीज से फेलोपियन ट्यूब क्या लेकर जा रही थी, मैच्योर एग्स को लेकर जा रही थी. These tubes are also cut and then tied. This is known as tubectomy. Now the exact define of these is vasectomy is surgical operation performed in male body. Inside the male body, it is being performed. A small portion of the vas deferens is cut and then the two ends are tied, which basically prevents the sperm from coming out. The second one is tubectomy. Similarly, likewise कि इसमें मेल्स में परफॉर्म हुआ था. This is the surgical operation performed in females. It involves the removal of a small portion of the fallopian tube. Again, the two cut ends are tied, which prevents the egg from coming out. So these are the two terms related with our surgical method. We have studied till now barrier or physical method, chemical method, IUCDs and the surgical methods. Fine. These all prevents the fertilization process which is occurring inside the female body. But the very first thing I want to again tell you about the barrier or physical method is that कि ये fertilization तो prevent करता ही है, it also saves us from STDs. Now what you mean by STDs? STDs सुना है, sexually transmitted diseases. Now what is the define of STDs? By the STDs, these are the infections transferred through sexual contact. These can be caused by bacteria, viruses. Now, have you heard about gonorrhea and syphilis? These are the infections caused by bacteria. Fine. And one important thing you have heard in class 9th also, you have even done the detailed study of HIV. human immunodeficiency virus, or you can even call it AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. कैसे होता है? It is again by viruses and which is transferred through sexual contact. Fine. So these are the methods which basically prevents the unwanted fertilization as well as the sexually transmitted diseases which can occur through unsafe sexual contact. This completes our reproductive health, including all the topics in which we have studied. What you mean by reproductive health? That means they define it is, a state of complete well-being. Also, you have studied that male and female individuals should be both physically and mentally sound for any sexual act to occur. In this, we have also studied that the female should be mentally and physically prepared, as any sexual act can lead to the pregnancy, and if she is not physically and mentally prepared for that, it should be avoided. Also, it should be avoided for birth control, as the population is increasing day by day. To control all these, we have different types of methods like the barrier, physical methods, surgical methods. In this we includes the surgery, that is vasectomy and tubectomy. The chemical methods जिसके अंदर oral pills और vaginal pills यूज़ की जाती हैं, and the IUCDs, intrauterine contraceptive devices. These all will help us in preventing the process of fertilization, also from the sexually transmitted diseases. Thank you.